You can order the brake hoses used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull the hood release handle and open the hood. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. Lift the front of your vehicle. We strongly suggest watching our video on how to jack your Ram 1500 safely before carrying out this step. Place the vehicle on the jack stands. In order to change the brake hoses on your vehicle, you will need to take off the wheels to have full access. Don't forget to put the wheels under the vehicle. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Then, disconnect the ABS sensor cable from the brake hose. Place a container to collect the fluid under the caliper, since the brake fluid may leak out. Here's a tip. You can limit the amount of brake fluid leakage by clamping the brake hose with a brake hose clamp. Using a ratchet and a 15mm socket, unscrew the banjo screw connecting the hose to the caliper. Using a 12mm open ring wrench, undo the metal hose connector from the brake hose while it is still on its support. Using a ratchet and a 13mm socket, unscrew the bolt securing the brake hose clamp. Move the liquid collection container under it. You can now finish unscrewing the connector between the metal hose and the brake hose. You can now remove the hose. You can order the brake hoses used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the new brake hose. Partially screw the metal hose connector back on. If you want to know which tools and parts we use in this video, just check the description and you'll find everything you need. Screw the brake hose mounting bracket back on. You can now finish tightening the metal hose connector. Install the brake hose clamp on the new hose to prevent any brake fluid from leaking out. Using a wire brush and a brake cleaner, clean the contact surface between the brake caliper and the brake hose. Get the new seals and the banjo screw. Put a seal on the banjo screw and install the assembly on the hose. Then, put the second seal on the banjo screw. Screw the banjo screw that connects the brake hose to the caliper back in. Finish tightening the brake hose attachment with the torque wrench. Remove the brake hose clamp. Replace the ABS sensor cable in its slot. You can now clean the junction between the metal connector and the brake hose with brake cleaner to remove the brake fluid, which can be corrosive. When replacing a brake hose, you need to bleed the brake fluid system to remove air from the system. To do this, we suggest watching our video, How to Bleed the Brake Fluid System Ram 1500. After bleeding, remember to clean the caliper disc assembly with brake cleaner. Then, you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put the car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Don't forget to screw the brake fluid cap back on before starting the car. Operation complete.